Hey, what's up guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Ecash, about XEC coin guys. In this video I'm talking about the live update of Ecash, what's the price changes occurred in the Ecash and what's going on in the Ecash. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video please subscribe my channel for more news and update video about Ecash guys. Guys, the right now price of Ecash in the market is about 0.000233 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Ecash. Other side, furthermore guys, if we talk about the changes occurred in the Ecash XEC coin, negative 0.88%, the price dumps. The price going in the lows guys. Furthermore guys, if we talk about the trading volume, more about XEC coin price statistic. So you can see a price change is also going in the lows, but other side you can see a trading volume of Ecash also going negative 6.74% decrease just in the last 24 hours guys. In last 24 hours 6% the trading volume decrease guys, but you can see a market cap going to increase negative 0.11% positive, the market cap increase guys. That's really good news for all of you. Anyways guys, tell me in the comment box, how do you feel today about XEC coin? Good or bad? I'm feeling very good. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.